I am talking. I want to talk. What's the difference in meaning between these two sentences? Let's find out in this video. Welcome back to Lingoni English. My name's Emily, and in this video, we are looking at sentences that use the ing form of the verb and some that use the to plus verb form. Let's get started. Let's look at these two sentences. I am cooking. I want to cook. I am cooking. I want to cook. Which one is happening right now? And which one might happen later? If you guessed that the ing form is happening right now, you're correct. Let's take a closer look at that. So, we use ing forms of verbs to show that something is happening right now. It is an ongoing action. Right now, I am talking. You are listening. This means we are doing these things right at this moment. I am talking. You are listening. Now we use the to plus verb form to talk about something we intend to do, something we want to do or wish to do. If I say, I want to cook, I'm not cooking right now, but maybe in an hour or tomorrow. I want to cook sometime in the future. So, ing verbs happen now and to plus verb happen later. Let's practice a few sentences together. Repeat after me. Repeat what you hear. I am playing. I want to play. She is singing. She wants to sing. We are learning. We want to learn. We want to learn. Now, don't say we want to learn. It's we want to learn. We want to learn. Okay, let's practice together. I'll say a sentence about something I'm doing right now, and you change it to something that I want to do. Let's do the first one together. I want to run. I want to run. I'm running. I am running. I'm running. Very good. Okay, here's the next one. Mark wants to eat. Mark wants to eat. Mark is eating, or Mark's eating, or he is eating. He's eating. Very good. Next one. She wants to read. She's reading, or she is reading. Okay, now let's practice the other way. Here's the first sentence. We're writing. We're writing. We want to write. Very good. Next one. Larry is working. Larry is working. Larry wants to work. Larry wants to work. Shh, they're sleeping. Shh, they're sleeping. Shh, they want to sleep. They want to sleep. How'd you do? I'm sure you did great. But if you need a little more practice, go to lingoni.com. There, you'll find worksheets and interactive exercises for this lesson and all of the other lessons we make. You'll also find podcasts and tons more activities to help you improve your English. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you learned a lot, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!